guys. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'll be making brownies with my 4-year-old child, and if you're just joining me for the first time, you're welcome. And if you're not just joining for the first time, guys, welcome back. So guys, who do we have here?
4-year-old.
What's your name?
Jeremiah.
So guys, what are we making today? Brownies. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is melt our butter. Here we have half cup of butter. Jeremiah, what is this?
Butter.
Okay, open this so we can
Open it?
Open this, okay?
The back first and open it like this.
Yeah.
And open it like this. And open this product. And open this.
Mm-hmm.
And open this one.
Mm-hmm.
Then flip it off.
Mm-hmm.
Flip it off.
Nice. Then we're gonna cut this into smaller chunks.
Like this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Cut this again. Mm-hmm. And cut this one too. So now we're gonna add it in our bowl. So use this. Let me help you.
And all the last one left. Pocket potty.
So I'm gonna help you put this in the microwave. We're gonna melt this, okay?
Yeah, we'll open it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have the melted butter. The next thing we are going to do now is grab our bowl.
And put it in there.
Yeah. Grab our bowl. So firstly we're going to measure our flour. Okay, Jeremiah, we need half cup. Let me get half cup for you. You're welcome. Okay. You need to judge it like this. Okay. Go ahead. No, we have to fill it up. Nice. Yeah. That's okay. That's okay. Then you pour it into your bowl. Okay. Nice.
No.
That's okay. So we need 1 cup of sugar.
Can you do it?
Yeah, like this.
Mommy, you need more.
That's okay. You don't need more. You have enough.
For the last one. Mommy, let's fill it up.
Yeah.
Mommy, you need more.
No, that's okay. 1 cup of sugar. Just add it in yourself.
Mommy, we only have this one left.
Nice. Okay. Now we're using we have cocoa powder.
What's the dad in your house?
This is ours. We use it for baking.
Who gave it to you?
I bought it from the store.
Oh,
We're needing 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. I'll help you with this, okay? Then you pour it inside.
you said me.
I'm going to help. Okay.
Let's fill it up. It almost filled up.
Almost. You're almost there.
You only have this.
Yeah, this for that. Then add it to that. So now we're going to add, and Jeremiah, we're going to add our melted butter. You want to pour that? Yeah, so now we're going to add a vanilla extract.
Vanilla?
Yeah, so we add 1 teaspoon.
A 1. Maybe 1 piece.
Then we're going to add our egg. We're using 2 eggs. Do you know how to crack? Can you crack the egg?
Yeah.
Okay, you have to crack it very well like this. See, mommy. See? Want to do the other one?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, nice. Okay. Ooh, good job, Jeremiah. Good job.
Crack it by your hand.
Yeah. So now, Jeremiah, we're going to whisk, okay?
How much?
Can you do it?
Yeah.
Okay. You have to use the right hand.
This one?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Mom, the egg white.
Mm-hmm.
Or you mix it.
Mm-hmm. Does it taste good? Okay. Let Mama help you.
Your mommy.
Oh, not mommy.
You know what? You Jesus.
Okay.
Do someone else. Can you taste it one more time?
Okay. Tastes good? So guys, now we're going to pour these brownies into our baking pan. Jeremiah, do you want to help you with that? Okay.
Then salt. Then put it inside.
Yeah, just hold on, okay? Or you want to take it out yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you're doing a good job.
For me, that looks like poop chocolate. it,
It looks like poop chocolates.
yeah.
Yeah, you're doing a good job.
Because I cannot do the other ones.
You need help?
Just right over here, up the side.
Mm-hmm.
And this side.
Mm-hmm.
And this side.
Let me help you scoop it up for you.
I'm not doing it.
Oh, you did a good job. You've almost done everything.
We can do the last one.
Okay. Okay. That's okay.
For the last one.
Yeah.
Poop, poop, poop. And poop chocolate.
Yeah, so we'll spread it out, okay?
May I do it?
You want to do that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I can't even spread it out.
So you're going to mess up everywhere. Let me help you. Let's hold this together. Rima, wait.
I'm gonna grab
Just like this. So you know what I'm doing it.
there's no oven.
Let me help you with that, okay? Because the oven is hot. Guys, brownie is ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're ready. It's ready, right?
Yeah. I'm working on that.
Yeah. Don't touch it, okay? think it's not that hot again. Let's grab your.
That's my knife. Can I do it? Can I?
I don't want it to burn it, just put it.
Hello guys. It smells.
It smells good, right? That's okay.
And a little cut that one.
Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Bye. Thanks for watching.